Do you want to know how much electricity a specific appliance in your home consumes and how much it costs you per month or year? Over the past few years, I've been tracking the power usage of different appliances around my home, garage and office. This video kicks off a new series where I'll be sharing the results. Each video will be titled something like how much electricity does a device use and what's the running cost. And in this one I'll show you how I measured everything, starting with a coffee machine. How did I measure it? With a smart socket, iSocket, that has an energy meter. Sure, you can find other smart plugs, for example this one, Wi-Fi, but you won't get an interface as convenient as iSocket. I will show you that in a moment. It's simple. Plug the iSocket into the wall and then plug your appliance into the iSocket. That's it. Then wait a year or two. Of course, I've already done that waiting part and moved between many devices collecting data. So now let's take a look at some stats of our coffee machine used by a household of 2 adults. You are not giving coffee to your kids, are you? Here's the app interface. It is a progressive web app that you can run on your computer or your phone. I show you this on the phone right now. So this is the energy metering section of the app. We can see current voltage 222 volts, current which is 0 because it's not running. And just like in your home's mains energy meter, we can also see the energy use over a certain time period. It's here, 28 watts per hour, right here in the center. But what's great about having a dedicated energy meter for your appliance is that you can reset the readings and lock them at any moment just by pressing here, reset button. For example, you can then go to the statistic here and review those logs. But resetting reading manually every time, say to log a whole year worth of data, can get annoying. So here's a feature I haven't seen anywhere else: auto save criteria. I won't go into all the details now, but it allows you automatic reset or save at predefined intervals, like every month, every year, every week. And so now we can see a monthly usage of the coffee machine. It's low. You can see the readings with the cost of 12 cents euros per kilowatt per hour. It's that cost. Here is quite strange measurements, and previously I collected weekly data. You can see about 1 kilowatts per week. With the new one, yeah, it's the new one coffee machine, it's less per month. I think that is because of the machine itself. To be honest, measuring coffee machine consumption, it's a bit of a geeky hobby. It's more of an experiment. Earlier I used iSocket here for a different purpose, to turn off this coffee machine remotely in case I forgot to do it before going fishing. That actually came in handy a couple of times. These days, though, coffee machines in Europe are required to have auto shut off feature, and this machine will shut off in 40 minutes. So I don't need this iSocket. I no longer need it here. I will be reusing it to measure something else. Guys, hope that all makes sense, and let's now check how much did both coffee machines, the new one and the old one, consumed over a year. And here we have another interesting feature, which is called merge. It was the previous coffee machine, by the way. So, in order to make this merge, the last date, the last start is for May this year, 2025. I have to find the period corresponding to the same date in the previous year. So, okay, quite a lot of stuff here. May. Here. Okay, 12. Yeah, that's fine. So, you can see. And then, starting from this period, I will select all the periods and will do this merge. I will pause the video and will show you the result. And it's quite smart here. You cannot select, you can select them only in the right order. The system prevents you from doing wrong things because otherwise it won't be the right time period. Okay, I will continue. And the last one. And now I have no way back. So, yep. And now let's see. Yeah, from 5 May to 4 May, 1 year, 43 kilowatts hours. And with that cost, you can set your own cost. With that cost of electricity, it's €5 per year to drink coffee for two adults. Power consumption of the washing machine, a dishwasher, computers, air-conditioned fridges, basically anything you can plug into a wall. I'll be covering it all in the upcoming videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post this kind of stuff in this kind of weird format. So see you soon.